Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Klarus. Now this here is their XT2CR Pro. Now I was sent this by them directly. They wanted me to test and review. This light comes in this box. So let's go ahead and get started here on the specs of the light. And as you can see there, highest output is 2,100 lumens on the highest output. A lot of lumens coming out of that. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause the screen. Otherwise, we're going to open it up, see what's in. Get one USB Type-C charging cable, one lanyard, one O-ring. Here's the user manual, multi-language. This is what I like. I really like this when they ship the light in the holster. Really is a lot better than a molded plastic where you have to pull it out. Sometimes they cause blemishes on the light. Here you're not going to get any blemishes on the light. Here's the holster, nice quality holster here, double stitched material. Got the quick release D-ring on here, is plastic though. Fits the light perfectly. Does have a lining on this as well. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the light. And there it is. Again, really like the fact they went with that black stainless steel bezel on there. Looks sharp. Got the charging port there. Great for people on the go. Got that lever there. Tactile mind and users, definitely is going to be good. Good size. Here's the clip. You can remove it if you don't want it on there. Does have pretty good tension on there. And we do have some flat areas here on the head. Help keep it from rolling if you don't have that clip on there. Kind of gets hung up on there. Not much heat sinking on this at all, but I like the way these grooves on the body go in all one direction. Help for gripping the light, especially if you're wearing gloves. Style and design on this is very nice. And the machining and finish on this is very nice as well. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at the textured reflector. Now this is running the Cree XHP35 HD LED. Try to get a good angle on that. Alright, now this is a complete kit, so I'm going to go ahead and get this open for you, and I'll show you the battery that it comes with. Tail spring there, pretty heavy duty. This is the piece you want to remove from the battery. There is a spring down in the head of the light, so you can use a button top or flat top cell in this if you do have some extras on hand. But they do provide you a very nice quality 18650 here. This is a 3100 milliamp. This is a 20 amp cell. Protection is probably only 15 though. And this adds a lot of value. This will give you a lot of power, more than enough for good run times, as well as power that you need for this light. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started. By default, there you go there. Turn it off. You can pressure switch that for the highest output. Once you have it on, you need it to stay on, press it fully. If you want the lowest light output, you've got the lever there. Really simple. Now if you press and hold it long enough, it will stay on. Now you can go through those light outputs, goes up through the light outputs on this lever. Press and hold to turn it off. You turn it on from the switch, and now use the lever, it goes down through the UI. And if you press and hold that lever long enough, you will get SOS. And you can stop it at any time if you want. And I'll show you the beam here. Very nice combination beam. Large hot spot here. Pretty intense. A lot of bleeding here. Spill area cuts off a little bit. Tapers off a little bit at the edge. Now you can change the mode on this if you want. It's really up to you. Now I'm going to use the default. I think it's plenty. I don't use strobe, so to get that instead of the SOS, I'll just leave it on this. Now this user mode by default is the one I'm going to use and keep it on. I choose so. I really like the SOS versus the strobe. Don't use strobe very often at all. So if you do want to change the mode, again, you can press and hold for 5 seconds the lever or the power switch, switch back and forth from them. Or you can use, like I said, separately. Starts off from high and goes down, or from the lowest light level and goes up on the lever. That to me is plenty. It's going to do plenty for me and for most people. Really nice solid build quality on this. So let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Klarus XT2CR Pro. We're going to turn it on the highest output here, And then we'll go down through the UI. There it is, the tree of life. 138 feet from where I'm standing. Making the tree behind it 238 feet there, as you can see. Good combination beam. Kind of leans a little more towards the floody side, in my opinion, but still's got some pretty good range on it. Faintly making those palm trees. A lot of light output for this little light. Making it across the park there, as you can see, to those playgrounds. Look at that beam performance. Very nice. We're going to go down to the next level. There we go. Still a lot of light output for this level. You're going to get your best run times. Turbo is not made to run all the time. It will cycle down automatically, so no worries on that. Still making that tree there. That's impressive. Next level down. 35 feet there. Still making the water spout. 65 feet. And there's the lowest light output there. Definitely good for up close and personal. Still has some pretty good range there. Still making that 35 feet. Probably not much more than that though, to be honest. Yeah. All right. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Impressive light output for such a compact light whenever you need it. Definitely not made to run at that 2100 lumens all the time. Does get pretty toasty here on the head of the light, but the medium and high does perfectly fine for most applications, and you've still got that momentarily blinding 2100 lumens whenever you need it. Really am impressed with the beam quality on this light, especially for the size of the head. Still produces a very nice combination beam. And the holster is another big plus. Nice quality on that. Thank you, Klarus. And really a nice quality flashlight kit here. Now, if this is something you are interested in getting, I will leave a link to this kit. Remember, it comes with everything you need in that box. Down in the description area you will find the link. I'm also working on a special discount code to get this light even cheaper for my viewers, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights from Klarus to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.